Hi, this is Christine on Christine on the Cheap. I just went to the Humane Society thrift shop, and this is what I actually picked up. I picked up 4 candles, which all need to be spray painted. The actual glass comes off, but the whole unit for one of them was 59 cents. Then I bought this, which is the like a Christmas plate, but I'm planning on putting it actually with silver and spray it, because that's my theme for Christmas is silver this year. Then we picked up this basket, which I thought was just so unique, and I had to have it. That was, I don't know, like a $2 or something like that. I'd have to look. Then my daughter wanted these 2 baskets because she wants to put them in her room and put some of her books and things that are just sitting on top of her chest, her wooden chest, just to kind of organize it a little bit better. And then I picked this up, which it actually is quite heavy, and this was like only $2 also. I love this place. They have great wicker baskets at in this particular place. This I thought was really cute too. It's relatively small. It doesn't look like that on the picture, but you can put a bunch of different things, even in the bathroom, set things on it, or even in your dining room or family room, and even put your remotes on it or whatever to jazz it up a little bit. This I really like too. This was only $1.50, and this was so cute. The bamboo and all that is, and this was only 99 cents. So I really had a nice find with this. They have a lot of great things. I go crazy in there. So I hope you like my thrift shop on the cheap. Bye-bye. This is Christine and Christine on the Cheap, just showing you what I have done to with the pieces that I got from the thrift shop. And these were the candlesticks, and all I did was paint them. I just spray paint them, and then I found those blue candles, which I'm going to put on top, and the globes were all with the whole piece. So there's 4 globes that go with it. And this one piece was only 59 cents. So I spent a little over $2 for all of this. Now this is one of the baskets that I purchased. I just thought for right now, I'll put it for our fruit containers, that I can actually put it on our middle table that we have in the kitchen. Okay, here's another thing that I did for the fall. It's basically from the Dollar Tree. The fall leaves in the frame, which was $1. The fall leaves, there's actually, the brown leaves were 5 for $1. And then I used the fall part of it because it was a different color. I actually used it as they were clingers or cling-ons for the windows. So I just put it there. I hot glued it all though. And then this was just a little bag or a box that I just put in other floral arrangements. I also made these pumpkins out of that buffalo print. I didn't like how they came out though, so I kind of hide them away in our bookshelf that's here. But I had made 2 of those. And actually this little stand that this fall arrangement is on actually came from the thrift shop, which was Goodwill at the time, and it was only $14. It's beautiful. It's already hand painted and everything. And it fit just right between the 2 bookcases. Now this is one of the baskets also that I have. I'm doing the back of it so you can actually see that's the one I actually used. And then I had all these different floral that I collected over the years, and just put that in for the fall. I'll show you what it looks like then. Okay, this is the arrangement that I made with all leftover things. The only thing that I bought at the Dollar Tree was that bow this year. Otherwise, everything else has been from before. This is in our dining room, and then also I bought the little pumpkins that are there now on the top shelf, plus those little that you hold candles in. That I bought this year as well. But this is part of my floral arrangements for fall. Okay, here's basically what I did with those candlesticks that were 59 cents a piece each. I put a candle in that has like a LED lighting, so you have to turn it on all the time. And then around the fireplace, I actually put those little lights that is battery operated, like you put 3 AAA batteries in it. So this is basically my fall setup in my bedroom. And then I have that wreath I got at Aldi's, ALDI, for $9.99. It was originally $19. The little 2 side ones I got at Target, which I think were like $3 a piece or $1 a piece. And of course, these are from the Dollar Tree. And the actual fireplace that I have was on Craigslist. A lady was selling it. It actually has an electrical insert in it, but I thought it was just the right size for our bedroom, so I purchased it for like $50. So that was really cheap, because I was pricing them $200, $250, $300, a lot more expensive than that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.